for this week, we have... What do we have in this week?
This week, we are going to an ancient city called Akko.
That's true. Right back with you. On Fox News.
Also, Neve decided to start a new hobby, which is ginger beer. He'll be showing you what he did and also a live tasting. Not live, but a taste.
And also, we're gonna explore for a beach in Tel Dor. That's the name of the place. Yes, we're gonna hike there a little bit. And hopefully, we'll be able to take a pita with us.
Much.
Okay, this too much, she said, the lady. So we have to cut it here now. And... No, it's not good. She need to work on her action. Come on.
Action.
No.
Action.
Come on.
Action. You're in my way. You know that, right?
Okay. No, but you need to do action.
Action.
Like action. Like action and this one at the same time.
Action.
Good morning, guys. So last night we were in a restaurant with Carolina, my parents, and Appa, and it was so cute. He was just sitting on the bench and eating lettuce. Super adorable. Anyway, over there I ordered ginger beer, and it was something that I never tried before. It was really good. I really liked it. So I wake up and I said, let's try to make it. And right now we're on the way to IKEA to get some bottles and just to look around, just to start this new project. What purchase? Nice purchase, Hardik. In a bit I'm gonna make a ginger beer. For you who doesn't know, ginger beer is a beverage that they used to make it with two methods. One of them is with yeast that's make it fizzy, and the other one is with ginger bug that make it fizzy. I'm gonna start with the yeast today because it's just easier process, you just make it on the spot. So the ingredients, it's ginger, honey and sugar, and after we're gonna grind the ginger and boil everything together for some times to get like more syrupy texture. We're gonna add some more water just to make it lighter, and basically and yeast, and because of it this the yeast are consuming the sugar and it's gonna make it fizzy. So it's nice. It's gonna sit on the shelf for a few days, and hopefully in a few days we're gonna have such a nice yummy beverage. Okay, so we're gonna go to the coast of Akko, and also we're gonna explore the market and the old city. Right now we're in the fuel station, we're fueling and we're getting ready. And Appa is also ready. Carolina, do you like it?
I do. This is Akko, one of those places that feels older than time. People have lived here for over 4,000 years, And you can feel it in the walls, the air, and the way the city moves. It's crazy to think that empires came here and went. The Crusaders, the Ottomans, the British, but the city just kept going. You can see bits of each one still built into the stones. Apparently, Napoleon even tried to take Akko once and failed. Apparently, the city just wouldn't break. Standing here, you can kind of see why. What I like most about Akko is how alive it feels. Yes, the history is here, but so is everyday life. It's not frozen in the past, it's just layered. When you walk through a place like this, you realize how much has happened on the same few streets. It makes you slow down a bit, look around more. Akko isn't just another old city, it's a reminder that some places don't lose their soul, no matter how many times they're rebuilt.
Wow, what a beautiful view. We are here on the port, and to be honest, it's so beautiful, I have to tell you. You can see Haifa and Tel Aviv and all the other cities that... Yeah, you can see Tel Aviv. Yeah, along the coast, I think so. Now you make me doubt. She made me doubt, but I'm pretty sure you can see Tel Aviv. Also, there's nice chick and a dog there. Look, think to go say something to her. Excuse me, lady. Are you single?
No. Married.
Oh. Can I get your number?
No. Married.
Please?
Married. Did I pass the test?
She passed the test.
Everything's so quiet right now. It's not so busy. I think it's because it's during a weekday, which is good because it makes Appa a little bit more calm and not so stressed. So I think we picked a really beautiful day and wow, it's just crazy.
Yeah.
There's a lot of good food here. There's a restaurant called Uriburi and it's actually renowned in all over the world. Very international. It's a seafood place because we are here on the dock. They do a lot of fishing. They do prayers every certain parts of the day.
In Hebrew, it's called muazzin. This is their praying. It's just like you can hear it all around the city.
A big part of Akko's charm comes from its Arab community. The language, the food, the atmosphere. It gives the city this relaxed coastal vibe. Think of old stone streets, fresh fish, strong coffee, and everyone knowing everyone. Akko has always been a port city. That's kind of its thing. For thousands of years, boats from all over the Mediterranean pulled in here, bringing spices, traders, and probably some very tired sailors. Fishing's still a huge part of daily life here. You literally can watch guys bring in fresh fish and then see it being cooked up like 20 minutes later. Akko's really cool because it's not trying too hard. It's old, it's lived in, it's mixed, and it's right on the sea. Just one of those places where you slow down without realizing.
I have to tell you something. I discovered something right now. Carolina, sell me out. You heard right. She's sabotaging with my relationship with Appa. She just give him treats and she tell him, oh, you love mother more or you love mother more. And she tried to kick me out of the family. If someone want to be my friend, please write me down. And I'm looking for a replacement for Carolina. It's better if it's someone that have a dog. No, not a new wife. A new friend. I said a new friend. She sold me out. Wow. Leaving me. Appa. Not in front of the camera. Carolina. She don't know how to talk.
Akko is really known for the food here, like I mentioned before. And one of the famous things are hummus. So we're gonna go try that now.
Yeah. Well, my perfect memory, remember this place, is around. Yeah.
Wow.
Now Carolina give up our water, but the most important thing, we find hummus. So we're gonna have a nice hummus that we're gonna eat here in a beautiful place.
Wow.
And that's how you eat hummus. Clean first of all the lid. We just finished eating the hummus right now, and unfortunately it didn't have the expectation, especially that it's one of the called best hummus here in Akko. We didn't find it like this. It was very bland for us, and for me and Carolina it wasn't the hummus that we would go back and eat. But anyway, we'll just go now to the beach to chill a little bit before we go back home. We're gonna pop one in the fridge to finally taste it. The rest gonna stay to keep fermenting.
The next day.
I hope you're excited, because I am. Now it's finally the time to try the ginger beer. I waited a few days to get fizzy, and yeah, let's try. You see, there is a lot of fizz. Okay, nice. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, we need to wait until it's not overflow. Maybe I'll do it on some ice. Wow, you can see it's muy fizzy. Let's try. Wow, it's got a little bit sweetness in it, and a little bit you can feel like the spicy of the ginger. Wow, it's just a perfect drink. Would I do it again? So short answer is yes, and the long answer is hell yes. I have to drink a little bit. Sorry, I have to adjust some stuff because those bottles that I got from IKEA, they're really crap. It didn't seal well, so sometimes the gas was escaping, the fizz was escaping. I was researching a little bit, and I saw a different method to make it from ginger bug that Carolina tried to make it before, and she didn't succeed. But because she did some mistake, but now she know how to make it right, and she gonna try to make it again, and then hopefully we can collab together, and she gonna make a ginger bug, and I'll make the ginger beer, and yeah, and everyone's gonna be happy.
So we made it to Tel Dor National Park, which is a super easy spot to visit. And by the way, it's free to enter, which is always nice. Tel Dor used to be an ancient port, and they've actually found shipwrecks off the coast here, some from even 1,000 years ago. So it'll be really cool one day to come back and snorkel. And basically, it's a long, open stretch of nature along the water. And Appa had such a great time here. He was just running with us up and down the shoreline. You can tell he was just the happiest and just in chaos mode. The cool thing is the landscape changes as you walk. Rocky parts, sand, little bays, clear water in some spots, waves crashing in others. It never feels like the same view twice. We came around sunset, and honestly, a great way to wrap up the day. Simple walk, great views, and quiet vibe. We definitely come back here. It's an easy spot, dog friendly, and it's just a really nice stretch of coastline. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching.
Next week, we're gonna go back home, so it's gonna be an excited week. So follow us for more. See you there.